We are going to take you on another tree adventure today. We're going to identify the American sycamore. Right, Ethan?
Come.
We are walking down to our little wetland area, or one of our wetland areas, which is a great place to find a sycamore tree. Ethan, bring the camera over this way.
No.
Right up here. So this is a young sycamore. It's not very tall yet. Sycamores can actually grow to over 100 feet in height. This one obviously is only about 8 feet tall. If we look at the leaves, you can see they're a simple leaf and they're alternating on the branch. And they are a greenish, pretty light green color during the summertime. And then as fall comes, they turn more yellow and orange and brown in color as they lose their chlorophyll. The leaves have 5 fairly sharp lobes on them usually. You can see all the lobes on the leaf and kind of how pointy they are on the end. They're not sharp to the touch, just sharp looking. So we saw a really small young American sycamore. Now we are headed down more toward the forest, and there is a creek that runs through down here. And we have a much larger sycamore down here. See the best way to get to it. You can see some of the leaves on the ground. Sycamore leaves are a lot larger than the ones that we saw on the little seedling. They're kind of all over the creek bed right now. The creek bed's pretty dry. But this over here is a old sycamore, not a young one at all. And what's really cool about the bark on these older sycamores is as we look up the tree, you can see that the outer bark starts to peel off up higher on the tree, which reveals the light inner bark underneath, and it's a really good way to identify these beautiful trees.